this equation, find out the value of x. How? First, we can write the x to the power x power 4. So this is the 4 and this is the 4. And now this we can write x to the power and this the multiply. So 4x and this is the power of 4. This is equal to the power 4. And now x to the 4 and this is the x to 4. This is equal to the 4 and 4. So this x to the power 4 is 4 and this x to the power 4 is equal to 4. So we can write the x to the power 4 is equal to the 4. And so x value is this 4 is equal to, we can write 2 square and this is the 1 by 4. This is equal to x and now cut this. So this is the your half. This we can write the this. And now verify this. If root and this the root 2, this is the 4. And so we can write this is the root 2 and this root is equal to the half and this half and this is the 4. So this is the 4 and half and 4 cut 2. So there is the root 2 and there is the 2 square. So 2 square. There is the root 2 and 2 square is 4. And this we can write root 2 is equal to 2 half and there is the 4. So cut this and this. So 2 square. So 2 square is 4. So this is the proved. So x value is this is right.